Now we need to create a routing for sub-assembly as well, right? We have a wheel assembly. So let's create CA01 again. So type CA01, hit enter, and then that will take you to routing creation. And there, now what we need to do is we have to work with TRWAA 1000, actually 2000-222, right? We created sub-assembly before, and just delete these group numbers and then hit enter. And now you are creating routing for sub-assembly, and usage 1 and 4 as we have done before, and go to operations, and we have operation there, and here we have to enter the steps that we are going to take to do this sub-assembly. Again, this is assembly 1000, and the control is assembly, and description is material staging for the first one. Second one, assembly, and you have to assemble component, and then assemble A, this is Y, and this is move to storage. Move to storage is the third one, and you have to specify what material staging is about. So double click on it, and it comes to that activity, and the setup time that we are looking at is 2, and the labor time is 5 minutes, right? And then hit this back button, then you come back here, and setup is 2 and 5, and then again for the second activity 1 minute for setup and 3 minutes for labor, and the last step is 2 minutes for setup, 5 minutes for labor, right? And you also need to do component allocation. So let's go to component allocation there, and you select all the components together, and you go to new assignment, and it's going to be done at activity 10. Click on OK, and they are selected together to be done. And if you're done with that, hit save. Then you created routing for subassembly TRWA 2000.